Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Grow. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna guide you what does delivered means on Snapchat. So let me open the Snapchat first and show you how does the delivered look like on Snapchat. So as you can see on my screen, it shows delivered over here. So what basically delivered means is like if you send a snap to a person and the snap has been sent to the person, but the person has not seen the snap because he or she is busy or offline, then that's basically what delivered means on Snapchat. Therefore, delivered on Snapchat means you have sent a snap to any person on the Snapchat, but he or she has not yet seen the snap. So then the delivered message will be appeared under their username on the Snapchat. So this is what delivered means on Snapchat. I hope you got the information. If you found this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the notification bell so that you never miss an upcoming video on our channel. Thank you.